Welcome everyone to the initial presentation of the iTags app. When you finish watching this video, I guarantee that you will never lose an object again. The idea is to show you this app, what it's for, its philosophy, and where to download it. I'll teach you all of this and much more in this video. So, if you like it, stay tuned. The first thing is to understand what iTags is. Well, it's an Android app that helps you know where you leave or lose your belongings and alerts you when it happens. In the screenshot, you can see what the main screen looks like. Notice that my wallet, keys, and backpack are with me, and I can see that they are where I am right now on the map. Where did this new app come from? Who created it? Well, it was developed by a Spanish developer named iTags, so yes, it originated in Spain. Later, we'll share a story or two about him. To download it, you can do so from your Google Play Store. Here on the right, you have a QR code to go directly to the link. I'll show you a video so you know how to find and download it. How did the idea for this app come about? Let's talk about its origin. It's quite interesting because the developer told us that during one of his trips to Madrid, he realized that he had lost his wallet, that he didn't have it with him. After getting a good scare and going through some bad moments, as any of us would, while he was eating ramen with concern, he thought to himself, "Can't I have a simple app that works well to alert me if I forget my wallet? Or tell me where I lost it? Is it really that complicated and expensive that you need to spend money? I see it as necessary. I want something free that works with any cheap Bluetooth keychain from AliExpress. I don't have an iPhone, and I don't want to spend 30 euros on each AirTag that Apple sells me. I really need this, and I don't ever want to go through what happened to me today again." And that's how it all started. And after almost a year of hard development in the evenings after work, testing it himself in his daily life, he thought that it could also be useful for his family, friends, and colleagues. And that's how a testing period began, for which he says he is very grateful for all the help he received. He believes that without them, he wouldn't have been able to achieve it. While he continued testing, he noticed that the app was liked by his family and friends. So he decided that it could be useful to many more people and chose to distribute it to the entire world. After this beautiful story, let's talk about the app itself, about its philosophy. The first thing to highlight is that the primary fundamental pillar is that it is accessible to anyone, regardless of how much money they have. To achieve this, the first step is to ensure that the devices used to track the objects are as inexpensive as possible. That's why the app is compatible with any Bluetooth tracker sold in stores like AliExpress or Amazon. Here are some examples. There are many more shapes and styles available, and they are super affordable. You can get one for just €1. Generally, they cost between €1 and €3, so no one can say that trackers are expensive. Additionally, to make it accessible to everyone, the app needs to be free and compatible with modern as well as older Android phones. For this reason, it is completely free and compatible with Android 7.1 and above. When you download the app, it comes fully functional with no limitations and no in-app purchases. It also has no ads or advertisements. And of course, the app is multilingual. Currently, it offers English and Spanish, with more languages to be added in the future. The second fundamental pillar of its philosophy is privacy. According to the developer, the app has been designed to be lightweight and private from the beginning. Your data belongs to you and does not leave your phone. To achieve this, the app does not request any unnecessary permissions, only the essentials for it to function well on Android. It also does not send any data to the internet. Internet access is used exclusively for Google Maps and Google Geocode. The GPS is only used when you move away from or get closer to your objects to record where the event occurred. The rest of the time, the GPS is not in use. There is also no need to register or log in to any account. You simply open the app and use it. Energy efficiency and care for the mobile battery. The app has been designed from the beginning to have as little impact as possible on your device. To achieve this, it uses low-energy Bluetooth connectivity, also known as BLE, and makes rational and efficient use of GPS, ensuring that consumption is well controlled and tested. Another thing to highlight is how simple and practical it is. It's as if the creator wanted to make your life easier, and indeed it does. Adding your tracker is a breeze. It starts automatically without bothering you when you turn on your phone, so you don't have to worry about opening it. It alerts you if you turn off Bluetooth or GPS. It also has a pinned notification, so you can see at a glance the objects you have with you and those you've left behind. It's incredible that this was created by an independent developer. It feels like a commercial app. Of course, it has many advanced options, such as configuring the notifications we want to receive and the time we want it to take to alert us when we move away. It also has safe zones, which prevent notifications in certain places. And that brings us to the end of this presentation of this wonderful app. Honestly, I highly recommend that you give it a try because it's fantastic. Thank you for sticking with us until the end, and we only ask that you like this video, share your thoughts and experiences in the comments, and subscribe to this channel so we can continue uploading videos explaining all the features. Best regards, friends.